Welcome to your moment of reflection and transformation. Today, we're going to explore how imposter syndrome can be an obstacle to financial prosperity, but also how we can overcome it and find true abundance in our lives. Imposter syndrome can sneak in, undermining our confidence, making us doubt our abilities. It is like a shadow that obscures the light of our true greatness. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our meditations and tips for an abundant financial life. Ready to get started? Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Feel the flow of air flooding into your being. Allow yourself to relax and let go of any doubts or insecurities. Imagine now that shadow dissipating, dissolving into the radiant light that is within you. Recognize that your value is not measured by external comparisons or expectations. You are unique, with infinite potential. Repeat aloud with conviction. I deserve to thrive financially. My worth is not determined by fears or insecurities. I am aligned with the abundance of the universe. Opportunities flow my way. Every step I take brings me closer to achieving my financial goals. I trust in my ability to achieve and sustain prosperity. My financial success is a natural expression of my worthiness and effort. If you wish to explore more about the path to true wealth and prosperity, join us on the Wealth and Prosperity channel. There, you'll find more guidance, meditation, and inspiration to transform your relationship with money and achieve your financial goals. Remember, imposter syndrome doesn't define you. You are abundance, deserving of prosperity. Embrace your uniqueness and allow the light of trust to illuminate your path toward true wealth. Peace and prosperity.